Heroes. This is Gus from the Hero Academy here at the Hero Hub. Please take one careful step forward. Now freeze, freeze. Good, good, good. Because the Hero Hub movement system is officially glitching. Thanks to your gravity reset missions, the gravity controls are starting to stabilize. Water bottles are no longer flipping across the command center. Pencils are no longer rolling uphill. And I have only fallen on a chair one time today. That's progress. But Glitch Gus has now scrambled the movement sensors. The distance scanners are frozen. The step counters are blinking. The perimeter grid is completely confused. And according to the system, I just walked 947 miles while standing right here. So either I have unlocked a new superpower or the system really needs your help.
You'll never find your way. Your steps can't be trusted.
Okay, first of all, Glitched Gus certainly has no faith in our feet. Second of all, heroes, he thinks we cannot measure distance without the scanners. But guess what? Heroes do not always need fancy equipment. Sometimes we already have everything we need: a ruler, a pattern, a plan, and sometimes our own stride. Your mission this week is Super Stride. This week, you will use your own steps to measure distance. You will find your stride length, count your steps, and estimate the perimeter of a space: a room, a hallway, a yard, a playground, any safe area where you can walk around and measure. Your job is to help recalibrate the Hero Hub movement grid by proving that careful steps can create useful measurements. This is not wandering around randomly and calling it math. This is strategic hero walking. Very official, possibly dramatic. Before you activate the movement grid, you have to complete your reading unlock. This week's reading unlock is draw a map of the setting in the book that you're reading and label 3 important places. The setting is when or where the story takes place. So think about where the characters are spending time, where important events are happening, where the problem takes place, where the characters travel, what places matter most in the story. Heroes need maps because maps help us understand where things happen now and places that we need to connect to. And right now, the Hero Academy and the Hero Hub definitely needs your help understanding where things are. According to the system, the cafeteria is inside the gym closet, which seems unlikely, but not impossible during summer school. Now, for the math mission, you will complete the Super Stride Challenge. Depending on your grade band, you may measure one step or one stride, count your steps across a space, estimate the distance, measure the perimeter, compare your estimate or to the actual measurement, use multiplication or division to calculate total distances. For older heroes, you may calculate stride length times the number of strides and estimate the distance. For example, if your stride is 2 feet and you take 20 strides, 2 times 20 is 40 feet. That means your estimated distance is 40 feet. The more carefully you measure your stride, the more accurate your estimate will be. And if your answer says your bedroom is 400 feet long, we may need to check your stride. Or congratulations, you live in a castle. This week's Gus Memory Hack is one big pace fills the space. Say it with me. One big pace fills the space. That means your stride can be used as a measuring tool. One stride tells you part of the distance. Many strides can help you estimate the whole distance. One big pace fills the space. For this mission, you may need paper, pencil, ruler or measuring tape, a safe walking space, your feet, optional calculator, safety reminder from Gus. Measure in a safe area. Do not measure across roads. Do not run while measuring. Do not crash into furniture. Do not stride dramatically into a wall. Heroes walk with purpose and spatial awareness. When your mission is complete, upload the proof of power to the Padlet. You can upload a photo of your setting map, your stride measurement, your step count, your perimeter estimate, a photo of the space you measured, a short explanation of how you calculated the distance. Then add your sticker or check to Mission 6 on your Master Hero Map. Mission 6 is a big deal. If you complete 6 missions, you reach VIP Hero Celebration status. That means this mission could unlock the VIP level. 6 missions means you showed up. You solved problems. You kept going. And that is exactly what heroes do. Need help with your Super Stride mission? Come to the Hero Hub mission check-in on Tuesday from 9 to 12. Bring your packet, your hero map, your reading map, your paper and pencil, or I will have that for you, and your best measuring feet. We can measure stride length, count steps, estimate distance, and check your calculations together. Your Super Stride mission starts now. Measure your stride, count your steps, map the setting, recalibrate the movement grid, and heroes, I'm seeing another alert coming through. The movement grid is reconnecting, but the lower Hero Hub systems are filling with water. Supply crates are floating. The snack cabinet is in danger, and I am receiving one very concerning message: hydro system failure. Next week, we may need to build something that floats. Stay steady, recruits. Gus out.